This is a video to answer some of the questions that I got from the GCash SoundPay POS terminal. So one of the question is, anong tier daw yung pinili ko to apply for GCash business? So kapag nag-GCash business ka kasi, your GCash account needs to be active for more than a year para makapag-apply yung account mo for GCash business. And then, ang pinili ko doon na tier is the tier 1 lang. That's, I think it's a 250,000 limit. Yes, I think tier 1 lang. Pero nabigyan na kaagad ako ng terminal doon. And someone also asked, the second question is, paano mag-avail ng GCash SoundPay? So when I availed, I had to log into their website kasi may separate website siya. It's the GCash business.com something. And nag-login lang ako doon. Pero nag-register muna ako, of course, with my email and then password. And then doon ko na re-register yung GCash account ko na yung may number. Yung number ko that's been active for more than, actually around 3 years ko nang ginagamit yung GCash account na yun. So, ayun, approved naman. So, ayun. So, you have to register muna to GCash Business. And then, mag-apply ka using your GCash app. And then, pwede na kayo mag-request for the SoundPay terminal. If swinerte kayo, nakatulad ko na yung agent is andito pa sa Baguio, pwede nilang ipunta dun sa store ninyo, sa shop ninyo, or i-deliver nila mismo sa bahay ninyo para turuan kayo kung paano siya gamitin. Okay? So, ayan. So, third is, paano daw mag-transfer ng funds from GCash business? Actually, dito, nasa may transfer funds siya. Medyo nakakalito lang kasi bank yung hahanapin nila. Pero you can actually choose your GCash account na doon. You just have to input your account number. Your account number is your phone number and then yung name nung GCash account niyo. So, yun lang yung register nyo and kung magkano yung itatransfer nyo. Usually, within 24 hours to 3 days, parang same as banking days din yung pag-transfer. Ano naman siyang fee kapag transfer mo yung GCash funds mo, yung funds mo from GCash business to your GCash account. Pwede mo rin piliin yung ibang banks like BPI, Metrobank, BDO. Wala naman siyang fees. So, ayun lang. So, those are the 3 questions that I can